Is your scientific or mathematical software pathing failed due to the Libquadmath.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we walk through the Libquadmath troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This DLL file is a GCC library providing support for quad precision 128-bit floating point math. It is used in scientific computing for calculations requiring extreme numerical precision on Windows. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The Libquadmath.dll is bundled directly with your scientific or mathematical software and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling your scientific or mathematical software's official installation package is the safest way to restore this dependency. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Libquadmath. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Be aware that manual fixes for the Libquadmath.dll often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for future the Libquadmath or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.